Hello everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. South Korea Junpo police situation has broken ground by collecting arrests and negligence fines suitable for the untested era in the situation where face-to-face collection activities are difficult due to COVID-19 via a virtual asset a sizable pilot project. According to the pilot program, the Junpo police station achieved about 99% of the target collection amount for non-payment on traffic fines in the first half of the year alone. After estimating that the current status of virtual currency holdings by exchange was over 1 million won because of the delinquents, Kwang Kyung-ho, head at the Junpo police station, said that we will do our best to collect delinquents with strong delinquently measure against malicious delinquents. Largest amount of fine collected in the past three years. According to the pilot program, this is the largest amount of average fines collected in the past 3 years, exceeding the fines collected by the Gunpo police station last year, about 1,850 million won. Kwang Kyung-ho, head at the Junpo police station, said that we will do our best to collect delinquents with strong delinquently measure against malicious delinquents. Largest amount of fine collected in the past three years. According to the pilot program, this is the largest amount of average fines collected in the past 3 years, exceeding the fines collected by the Gunpo police station last year, about. As an example, the local police found the virtual currency worth 50 million won, owned by delinquently person whose salaries and deposits were seized due to non-payment of traffic arrest fine of about 2.5 million won and seized in the collected. With the virtual asset seizure pilot project, the Junpo police station achieved about 88% of the target collection amount for non-payment of traffic fines in the first half of this year alone. This year, the Junpo police station target for non-payment of traffic fines was 1 billion won, and as of in the end of the June, about 800 million won was collected, according to the detail for the pilot program on the field's site. Recently, South Korea found 60 crypto exchanges violating the specific Financial Information Act by the FCC. The government is holding the rise in crypto crimes. Warning the customer against using the C-Break, Clear tweeted, "We were investing in the moment and please do use not the foreign break in the moment," claiming to build the best inter-blockchain and cross-layer communication platform. Clear said that we are seeing reports that reflect potential DNS hijacking of Bright's fronted. "We were investing at the moment and please do not use the foreign to Brighton in the moment." Naming Polygon, Arbitrum, Astra, Aurora, BSC, Phantom, and Optimus clearly said that if you recently used Bright, please make sure to check and revoke any tone of profile, remind and suggestion issued by Clear. The company said that this contract has realized to a potential hijack to decided user to interact with the above address and drain tokens balance. The C-Branch Fortin use is currently offline. The be safe and we are doing further investigation. Clear also issued a reminder which said DNS poisoning can happen to any DeFi advanced registry of the protocol's own security and strongly suggests the entire blockchain community to turn on secure DNS operation in your web browser to reduce the possibility to get affected. The company suggests that due to low opposition and DNCES, with additional suggests when you are interacting with any DeFi fronted, always vary the context address. Okay, maybe that's enough for me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you.